Breaking. Prosecutor in the Alec Baldwin case did what? Now let's get to it.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
I understand that the court disagrees with me, and I respect the court's decision. There is absolutely no evidence that any of that ammunition is related to the incident involving Ms. Hutchins.
So the judge is wrong?
No, I said that I respect the court's decision. I think that people can disagree. I'm disappointed because I believe that the importance of the evidence was misconstrued by the defense attorneys.
Do you still believe Mr. Baldwin was guilty?
That has never been a decision for me. That has always been a decision for the jury.
Did you let the Hutchins family down?
No, we didn't. We did everything humanly possible to bring justice to Helena and to her family, and we're proud of the work that we did. Again, we disagree with the court's decision, but we have to respect it. So where do you go?
Hey everyone, welcome to the mix. Like this video, share this video. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. It is free to like, it is free to share, and it is free to subscribe. So don't forget to smash that subscription button for those who have yet to subscribe. If you are interested in donating, hit that thanks. You see it right here. Also, further donation information can be found in the description section of this post. I have the zelle, I have the cash app. Thank you very much in advance. Donating to my channel helps creators like myself evolve far as content purposes. I appreciate you guys' support. Now, let's jump right into the topic. Okay, everyone, as you can see what this video is going to be about. Yes, sorry for the late, sorry for the wait, sorry for the wait, sorry for the late. This happened about a month or so ago, but there is recent developing news. As you can see, prosecutor challenges judge's decision. Yes, you guys, in the Alec Baldwin case. About a month or so ago, the judge in the Alec Baldwin case actually dismissed the charges with prejudice. Okay, you guys, so what that means is that the prosecutors, the government, cannot bring this case back up before the court, period. It's gone, it's done, it's finished, courtesy of the judge. So yeah, so the judge found that the prosecutors acted inappropriately, or there was some questionable ethical issues by the prosecutor in this case. So the judge granted a dismissal with prejudice. So I'm going to go ahead and share some excerpts of this article I came across, and then I'll come back with more of my commentary, reaction, and opinion. But before I do that, you guys, don't forget to hit that like, share this video, and subscribe. And most importantly, listen to this video from beginning to end. Yes. But really quickly, before I head on over to the article, you guys, this dismissal with prejudice, wow, this is kind of, how can I put this? When it's a high profile case like this, celebrity-wise, generally speaking, it's not common for a case to be dismissed without prejudice. I mean, if you heard or read anything differently, drop it in the chat, let me know. But this is really uncommon. And what's even more bizarre about this, in my opinion, is that a prosecutor is challenging the judge. Now, just pause it really quickly right there. Now, when it comes to defense attorneys challenging a judge's decision or challenging the jury's decision, then yeah, that's typically normal because it's a defense attorney, and the defense attorney, of course, goes through the proper channels, through the courts, higher courts, filings, appeals, etc., etc. But for a prosecutor to come back and say, hey, boss, because really the judge is like the referee / boss of the court. So, and over the prosecutors and the court staff and bailiffs and over the defense attorney, judge, you wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. You misinterpreted the law. That right there, you guys. Now, if you all heard or read anything about that, drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat, because I've never heard of a judge being challenged in his capacity. So, but yeah, it's showing too, you guys, a lot of these high profile cases lately. Some people, in my opinion, the non-melanated ones, the courts, the system, the criminal justice system seem like working in their favor. Yeah. So, and I'm going to drop some links in the description section of this post to give you kind of an idea of what I'm talking about, what I'm referencing. You guys, I have a legal related playlist really quickly, so check that out. It's celebrity, non-celebrity, topics, legal. I'll post a link in the description section of this video. So, but yeah, so this is all kind of interesting, and especially with California and New York, like I was saying, when it comes to certain high-profile celebrity or cases, lately the system has been working in their favor, and that's just not common, especially in those two states. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and share some excerpts of this article, and then I'll come back with more of of my opinion, commentary, reaction. Okay, you guys, I'm citing from Tribune.com, PK, the Tribune Express. This article was posted on August 6th, so it was recent, August 6, 2024, and the article cites prosecutor challenges dismissal of Alec Baldwin's manslaughter case, blames the judge and defense. Like I said, you guys, this is epic. This is like totally, in my opinion, I think it's uncommon to really be putting a judge out there as an attorney, because prosecutors are attorneys. Just putting a judge out there who's over the court, who's you going. I mean, judges normally kind of like stick together, although they're all in the same community, you guys. From the judges to the attorneys, they were all running the same circle, but sheesh. This is wow. The article further cites, just read this part. It says, the Rust Pow case continues to be a difficult battle with both sides firm in their positions. Okay, this part is referencing, it's the case of, it's a similar case, a similar situation with a film being produced and made, everybody on set. Somebody is in jail serving 18 months because of a mistake of, bullets as opposed to the phony bullets, or something was left in the chamber. And this is a lady, I think her last name is Garcias. She's doing time right now. So the reason why they reference the Russ, Pow case is because Alec Baldwin's case, you guys, and I'm just gonna say this really quickly, his case can be used for that lady to get out possibly on appeal, or her case, overturned. So let me continue. So special prosecutor, the split photo, as you can see, Alec Baldwin and then the prosecutor, this lady who prosecuted him. Special prosecutor Carrie Morrissey isn't taking the dismissal of Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter charges lying down in a scathing response filed on July 31st. So yes, this prosecutor, Carrie, filed on July 31st documents accusing Judge Mary Marlowe Sommer of misunderstanding key evidence and harboring a predetermined intent to dismiss the case. Wow. Let me just jump in really quickly. How can you determine or make that assessment that someone has a predetermined intent? I don't know. I don't know the details or the context of that, because for someone to throw those kind of claims out there, it had to be something for this prosecutor, Carrie, to even say something like that. Okay, so the article further cites, she further alleges that the defense, led by attorney Jason Bowles, is manipulating the situation to exploit a legal loophole and potentially secure the release of convicted armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed. My apologies, I think I called her something else, but yes. So Hannah Gutierrez-Reed is serving time right now in prison, 18 months, because of a similar situation. MURD armed someone, I believe. She deleted that person on accident. She was held accountable, basically. So, okay, the article further cites Morrissey's filing specifically targets the unexpected appearance of Colts 45 rounds from ex-Arizona cop Troy Teask, a friend of Gutierrez-Reed's father. His father's friend showed up at the Alec Baldwin's case. So Gutierrez-Reed's father's friend show up. Wow. Okay. And so these bullets, which surfaced after the trial had begun, were determined to suppress evidence and led to the dismissal of charges against Alec Baldwin. So let me just piggyback a bit. So Carrie's filing specifically targets the unexpected appearance. I mean, anybody can appear in court to listen to a case. I mean, it is similar. It's nothing wrong for anyone to do that, even if they are friends, a evicted person, Gutierrez-Reed's father. So what? Why not go to see how this is playing out? So yeah, of course, use this as a example or precedence for that particular person's appeal. Article further cites Morrissey's contends that the defense comparison of the situation to the circumstances surrounding Gutierrez-Reed's conviction is a disingenuous attempt to conflate two distinct scenarios. She argues that the state's possession of the Teask ammunition in Baldwin's case differentiates it significantly from the Gutierrez-Reed's case, basically, where the state was not aware of the bullets prior to the trial. Further cites the special prosecutor's filing paints a picture of a chaotic legal battle marked by accusations of misconduct, misinterpretations of evidence, and attempt to manipulate the judicial process. While Bowles has declined to comment on Morrissey's claims, it is expected that the defense will soon respond with their own filing. So the defense, you guys have to respond. So Carrie Morrissey has already, filed her documents with the court. Now the defense has to file theirs. And Carrie, she did that, they said, on the 31st of July. So there's legal time frames for everything. So we shall see. Issue at the heart of this dispute is whether the dismissal of Baldwin's case was justified due to the suppressed evidence, and if so, whether this sets a precedent for Gutierrez-Reed's potential release. See, I told y'all. Morrissey's filing vehemently argues that this, asserting that the judge's decision was based on a misunderstanding of facts and that the defense is attempting to exploit the situation for their own gain. The Rust powing case continues to be a complex and contentious legal battle with both sides firmly entrenched in their positions. As the legal proceedings unfold, the fate of both Alec Baldwin and Hannah Gutierrez Reed hangs in the balance, while the final decision resting in the hands of Judge Sommer. So Judge Sommer will have to review these filings, these post rulings to make a decision. Of course, the judge who dismissed the case, Alec Baldwin's case, of course the judge is going to stand on what her decision was. So Carrie Morrissey probably will have to escalate this, or push it up to the higher courts in California, but we shall see. Okay, you guys, so what are your thoughts? Drop some comments in the chat, like this video, share this video. Again, thank you guys for your continued support. Wow, so do you all believe the judge is going to reverse her decision? I do not think so, because that decision to dismiss with prejudice, that is signed, sealed, and delivered. Prosecutor, to my understanding that they were over that other similar case, Gutierrez case, heard the comparison. The defense, Alec Baldwin's defense team had made a comparison, but as you can see, the prosecutors basically was citing that they in that Gutierrez case, no one were aware of the bullets beforehand, but the Alec Baldwin situation, everyone, to my understanding, the state and Alec Baldwin defense team was aware of the bullets in terms of evidence wise. When I say aware, meaning evidence wise, so the prosecutor, and this is what the judge is alleging, the misconduct. So if the prosecutors were aware of these bullets and did not tell the defense, I think the mock bullets and the real bullets, and did not tell the defense that it was switched out or something. Some funny stuff was going on with the bullets. So to my understanding, that the information was withheld by the prosecutors, allegedly, and what this particular prosecutor, Carrie Morrissey, I think that's how you say her name, she's just basically saying, well, they knew about it too, the defense. So how was that suppressed evidence when they knew about it? But deeper and further. But like I said, when it comes to the criminal justice system overall, it seems like lately it's really been working for certain non-melanated folks, in my opinion. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in the chat. Sorry again for the wait. Sorry for the wait with this particular topic, because I wanted to report on it initially because it was shocking to a lot of people. So, think that, or were you shocked that Alec Baldwin was vindicated by a judge in this case? Drop some comments in the chat. Rabbit hole probably runs deep. Like this video, you guys, share this video. Stay tuned for more content here on my channel, The Mix. I will be going live on Friday, and we'll be doing a cash giveaway. So stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a call-in show. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.